This should be negative 9. So 4 minus 9. Then we have A44. Okay. Yeah, so this time tell me what to write. 17
17
minus
minus
6 over
3
2
6 over 2
times
times
what?
7.
times 7. So
Good.
4, negative 4.
So negative 4.
Negative 4.
17 minus 21. So negative 4.
Yes.
Excellent.
Which will be minus
Now
4.
we have B4 new
31
what?
21
Minus
minus
times
minus 3
15
times 15.
15.
times 15. Yeah, so that will be 30
Negative 14.
minus 45 will give us what?
Negative 14 total. 14.
Negative 14. Okay, negative 14. Okay, then we populate our matrix. So this is 0, this is 8, this is negative 5, this is negative 4, this is negative 14. Okay, very well. So this achieve what next? Yeah, so we know we have successfully used the first pivot to reduce all the elements on the I to 0. Then we go for the next pivot. Like I told you, pivots are always on the diagonal. So this is the next pivot. So we're going to use this to reduce all of these also to what? To 0. It's the same process again. Okay, so let's clean these sections. So we are going to vary a bit. Let's clean all of this. Okay, then these are also going to change. Okay, similarly, everything after the product will also change. And then these answers will also change. Same to this row, everything will change here. All multipliers will change. Then everything here will change, as well as final answers will change. We will not have A21, okay? Because now we are going to reduce row 3. So there will be no A2 components. Okay. Okay. So now let's work it out. We have, so this line is A31 new. A32 new, okay? To differentiate between the first estimation and the second. The same way this will be 41 new, like that. Okay. And then let's pick it, okay? This is your leading coefficient in row 3. Is equal to what? 2. So the leading coefficient in row 3 is what? 2. Okay? So in reducing, that will be, oh, sorry, 3, 1 is already 0. These guys are already 0, so let's clean them away. Okay. So A32 is what? Is 2. Then your new multiplier will be what? Leading coefficient over the pivot. So that will be 2 over 6. Okay, good. Times the value on 2 minus same multiply, so 2/6, okay, times the value on top of -2 in the pivoting row is what? -6. So this gives us 6 cancels out
0.
will be -1, then 2, -2 times -1 will be +2, then -2 plus +2 will also be what? Will be 0.
0.
Good. Then the next element is -4. So we have -4 minus same multiply. So 2/6. Okay. Times the value on top of -4 in the pivoting row is what? -7. Good. So that should give us what? That's +14 over what? Over 6. Okay. +14 over 6. And then we have -4 here, which is the same as negative what? Negative what? 20 what? 24 over what? Minus 14 all over what? All over what? 6. Okay.
This should be plus.
That is how it will look like. And once you find the LCM.
This should be plus.
Okay, so you do this calculation, you get -38 over 6. Okay, which can be reduced further to what? -19 over what? 3. So this will give us -19 over 3. Can you confirm that for me? Okay. Then our next value, have you confirmed it? Have you confirmed the value?
10.
Okay, it's supposed to be -10 over. Over 6, which will give us -5 over 3. Okay. Yeah, is that what you all got?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay, so with this understanding, let me change for row 4 and know the what is the next step. Okay. Yeah, so when you do the calculation for row 4, okay, this is what we're going to get. This is what we are getting for row 4, which means if we populate this matrix, we're going to get what? Our new matrix will be 2, -1, 3, 7, then we have 15, Then next you have 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. We have 6. We have -6. You have -7. Then we have -19. Okay, after that you have 0. This will also be 0. Then A32 will also be 0. And A32 is 0. A33 is 0. A34 is -5/3. Okay. And then B3 is what? -5/3. Okay. Then here you have 0, 0. You have 3. Then we have 16/3. We have 16/3. And then finally you have negative what? -34. Okay, let me undo that. So finally we have -34. Okay, so looking at this matrix, okay, you will realize that there is already a 0 here. This row has 0, 0, 0. So it means we only have the last variable probably set here. Okay, so what you do is the next operation is going to be, you're going to interchange row, okay, 3 with what? You interchange row 3 and what? Row 4. Okay. So once you interchange row 3 and row 4, our new matrix, this side is going to be 0. Okay. This side will be 16/3, whilst this side is 5/3. So we are going to get 16/3 here. This will be 16/3, whilst this side is going to be -5/3. Yeah, Kobe, I've seen your hand. Just a minute. And then finally, we're going to have finally we have -34, and then you have -5/3. So which means that there is no need for further reduction using the pivoting method. Yeah. So let me take Kobe's question before I wrap up. Kobe, your question.
Prime.
Yeah.
Where you had -34. I had -34/3. So like I'm confused.
Okay. So -34/3 then. Because I'm seeing 34 here, I thought it was 34. So this 34/3. Okay. Yeah, any other question? A4, 3. This side is 3. I forgot to write. So this side is supposed to be this. Okay. So this side is supposed to be 3. So this is how the matrix will look like. Then we apply the backward substitution, okay, to find your x1, x2, x3, and x4. Okay, that I'm very sure you should be able to handle on your own. Okay, so on that note, we'll bring the class to an end, unless there is a question anybody wants to ask. Ernest, you have a question to ask?
No, please.
Okay. Thank you all for staying on for the whole class. At least when I see you in class, I'm motivated. Okay, rather than having just some few students in class. Even though the network was bad, you've all stayed on till the close of the class. Okay, so we'll talk on WhatsApp. This week you should expect a quiz. Okay, I'll be posting a quiz, so I'll inform you once I've posted a quiz. Okay, so I think we'll call it a day here, and we'll meet, God willing, next week. See you all and have a nice weekend. Is Bright on the platform today? I didn't see you here. Bright is not in class today as well.
Yeah. He did summer.
Okay, there's a different Bright.
Summer.
No, Bright, the technical guy. He's not here. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's meet weekend. Okay, bye-bye.